of the program was probably experiencing different professors in the fields of expertise, and especially getting to visit the aviation system here at San José State was really interesting to me.
My favorite field trip from the Mineta Transportation Institute was when we got to go to high-speed rail in Fresno. I love getting to walk on the San Joaquin Viaduct. It's something that I've heard about a long time, and I never really thought I'd actually get a chance to be able to walk on the viaduct myself or to go visit their office, their headquarters in Fresno. But MTI provided me with a way to do that.
My favorite activity is getting a tour of the high-speed rail. It's interesting to see how the infrastructure is going to be built for the next generation.